If this three dotted icon is missing from the search bar in your Samsung phone, due to which you can't sort these applications in alphabetical order or in horizontal order, then let us see what to do. The first thing is we will go to settings here and we will go to apps. Then from here we will look for One UI Home. Open it, go to storage, select clear cache and then clear data and then delete. The next thing that we will do is we will again go to settings here, then we will go to home screen, go to home screen layout, and if you have selected home and app screens, select home screen only, apply, again go to home screen, go to home screen grid. If you have selected 4x6, select 5x6, done, go to folder grid. If you have selected 3x4, then we will select 4x4. After that we will restart our phone. So this will reset the home screen layout. Later on you can again change it to what was there before. After that, the other thing is, if you are using GoodLock application, then open GoodLock app, open this home app, and if it is enabled, disable this option. So once you have done this one, the last thing that we will do is we will open Chrome, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, go to site settings, go to data stored, and then delete all data and then delete. So once you have done this much, go to the home screen and you should be able to see these three dotted icons here again.